Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX updates to see what happened, of course, after this dump that we saw, a very fast dump. Now, whether it is related to the news in the US or not, I think this means as well something for the chart here. It doesn't matter if it is a news or not. We have touched the 886 and this tells us already that this cannot be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for an impulse. But of course, it can be a leading diagonal for wave 3, 4, and a 5 as expected. So I cannot really yet confirm still, of course, a top here. We did not anyway finish this impulse yet, so you would like to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the lower time frame. However, because if it is related to the news, it might go back very fast as well, the same as it dropped down very fast. So we still need, of course, to see what's going to happen in this case scenario. Now, basically, I don't see yet a top for this scenario as well, for the leading diagonal. I prefer a much clearer signal, or of course to see 5 waves toward the downside, 3 waves up, and then continuation toward the downside to break it here. Then we can confirm something toward the downside is unfolding. And that because, of course, in the alternative scenario here, you can be very well in a wave 4 still. So it is very possible that you got a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Right now you got your wave 4 again. And then you get a second wave 5 toward the upside, of course, to finish a wave 3 in the yellow and so on. Yeah, so it can still continue toward the upside. And in both case scenario, you still, still need to see higher prices. Yeah, so we have to still be careful with it. I believe because it is related to some news, also it might, of course, rebound towards the upside very fast. What we are looking here for at SPX is, of course, also one more high. Basically, it is, of course, looking like 3 ways towards the downside so far, unless we get 4, 5. So that would be much clearer in case, of course, we see an impulse, unless, of course, you get invalidation taking the zone 1. By all means, right now, if the price action move to this area here, taking this high, this is your invalidation of bearish. And that means, of course, the wave 4 is not allowed to interfere with the zone 1. Because if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is your wave 1, 2, 3, 4 is not allowed to interfere. If this happened, meaning, of course, yes, we're still looking potentially for higher prices. It is a little bit much clearer on the SPX at this time. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen, guys. Nothing is yet confirmed that we are bearish, okay? Nothing is yet confirmed that we are bearish. We still need much clearer signal, of course. Now, of course, better to stay out or to watch what's gonna happen. Yeah, that is a good decision. It's not necessarily that you should be in all the time, right? So sometimes it's better to watch and then make a decision based on it. Yep, so these are the updates for Nasdaq and SPX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.